Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. So let's open our Facebook mobile application here. Once you're inside your Facebook, make sure you're logging into this. And for example, if you want to delete a suggestion, if you don't want to see this, for example, I will just scroll a little bit down, and this one is, I will just click on the three dots and I will click on show list, right? This is the first method that it will get automatically. I mean, the more post from this page, it will not shown to you. But if you want to delete it completely, you will get this option of hide post, right? So this is the another option which will be instantly work on it. By the way, if you want to change your feed more, you can just click on manage your feed and you can just select some of the option which you like to see over your feed. Same way, for example, this is one of it. I will just click on the three dots, and for example, if you want to hide all her posts, right, so I will just click on hide all, right, and it will get the it will get completely deleted from my feed. So this is three methods which I've shown you, and it's very easy to apply. I hope you found this method very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.